We have team coverage on the COVID-19 pandemic tonight. WAAY 31's Brittany Harry is standing by to tell us more about those free at-home testing kits.
But we want to begin with WAAY 31's Nicole Zedek. And Nicole, you're learning it's unclear if school closures are actually effective in slowing the spread of the virus.
Nicole, the data's really not there yet, but either way, thousands of students across northern Alabama, they won't be coming to some brick and mortar schools like this tomorrow, and instead they're going to be opening their laptops from home, switching to virtual learning halfway through the week because these school systems are just so overwhelmed with the number of COVID-19 cases right now.
The Omicron variant seems to be affecting younger children more than maybe in the previous pandemic.
The most recent data from the Alabama Department of Public Health shows 16,000 people, including students, staff, and teachers in the K-12 school system, tested positive for COVID in just 1 week.
We're going to see more cases in kids. We're going to see more cases in schools.
The increase in COVID cases is forcing many schools to go virtual, but ADPH says that won't necessarily slow the spread of the virus.
The data are inconsistent, to be honest. If you're talking about just closing school for no other reason than to prevent transmission, they just don't know.
Preventing transmission isn't the only reason schools are going virtual. Some schools don't have the staff to keep classrooms running.
Between 90 and 100 faculty and staff members that either were out because of COVID-19 directly or taking care of loved ones.
Albertville City Schools has about 500 faculty members, and at least 20% are out with COVID.
We didn't feel like we were really achieving the daily academic goals that we've set forth.
With record numbers of students and staff out on COVID leave, the school system decided their best option was to go back to online education.
Every component has been hit and impacted, so we had no other recourse but to implement these e-learning days and just pray that everyone is well.
Albertville City Schools is hoping to return to in-person learning on Monday, but they're going to reevaluate that decision over the weekend. And that's the same plan for most of these school systems that are switching to virtual learning. We'll have a full list of those schools on our website at waaytv.com. Reporting live in Hartselle, Nicole Zedek, WAAY 31 News.